Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates Shillong's first five-star hotel, Taj Vivanta. Senior Congress leader Shashi Tharoor to visit Shillong tomorrow. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates a 2-day Tri-Hills Ensemble in Shillong. And two Shillong legislators apprise Chief Secretary about water crisis in the capital. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today inaugurated the first five-star hotel of Meghalaya, Taj Vivanta in Shillong, bringing to an end a 36-year wait for residents of the city. Other cabinet ministers, senior government officials were also present. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister said that it is a great for the state since this hotel was in limbo for long. He also stated that the hotel would go a long way in providing high-end stay to the tourist who would visit Shillong. Proposed in the 1980s, the hotel has been in the news for over 3 decades for all the wrong reasons, having suffered innumerable delays along the way. The erstwhile Crowborough Hotel is now rechristened as Taj Vivanta Shillong. The hotel, which is located in the heart of Shillong city, has 100 rooms in total. Around 150 people will be employed in the hotel in various capacities. Senior leader of All India Congress Committee, Shashi Tharoor, will visit Shillong tomorrow to attend the important party meetings. The visit of Tharoor assumes significance as the assembly elections are just few months away and the Congress party is at its lowest in Meghalaya right now, with not even a single legislator. It would be interesting to see if Tharoor's visit to Shillong would help in reviving the party which ruled the state for decades. Meanwhile, suspended Congress legislator from East Shillong constituency Amperine Lingdo has alleged that the Congress party has disintegrated and rejected all the 5 sitting legislators and instead have decided to put up their own candidates. Stating that she has complete faith in the Congress party, Lingdo stated that the 5 suspended Congress legislators have decided to complete their tenure as Congress legislators before shifting to other parties.
Discussion of fate of the 5. I think it has become very clear. I think the media is following this matter very keenly. I think you already know who the Congress candidate is from 16 East Shillong. You have also announced it in all of your channels. So what happens to this sitting Congress? Shall I sit duck and do nothing? Or shall I move forward? This is the question I'm asking my people in my campaign trail. Likewise, even my friend is asking the same questions to our people. So there is no question of fate. We are completing our term as per the mandate given to us by our people from one party, and that is the Congress party.
The 2-day Tri-Hills Ensemble was inaugurated today by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma in the presence of Minister Art and Culture Sanbor Shulai. Addressing the gathering during the inaugural function, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the current year is very significant as India celebrates 75th anniversary of freedom and Meghalaya celebrates 50th anniversary of statehood. The Chief Minister also said that everyone, especially the younger generation, needs to be educated and made aware of their culture and roots. The Chief Minister also conferred the award of recognition for development of arts and crafts villages to 6 villages. Earlier, the Chief Minister unveiled the statues of the three brave hearts of Meghalaya, U Tirot Singh, U Khyang Nangba and Pa Tokan Sangma at the premises.
Look back on all the different moments in history that we have been through, and more importantly, prepare for the coming 50 years and the future that is ahead of us, especially the young children who are out here today as students. The future is yours, and hence it's important for you to understand and realize where we have come from. As they always say that no matter where we go in the future, it's very important to remember your roots.
With many parts of Shillong city facing severe water crisis, two suspended Congress legislators, Dr. Ampreen Lingdo and M. Rapsang, on Thursday night met Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, bringing the issue to this notice. The state government during the meeting assured that the problem will be immediately addressed. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Ampreen Lingdo said that the reason behind the water crisis was due to the fluctuation and tripping of power lines, leading to insufficient power being pumped to Mawplang, which is the main generator of water supply in the city. She also expressed concern over the delay in commissioning the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme, Phase 3.
Power fluctuation, tripping of power lines, insufficient power being pumped to Mawplang, which is our main generator of water supply. So that has been sorted out. We've been given an assurance that the power supply to Mawplang will remain uninterrupted by various methods which were very technical in nature, but we understand that that will be restored.
Members of HITO today took out a massive rally in Shillong and even threw flowers in the main secretariat. The NGO is annoyed with the recent action of Meghalaya police on contractual teachers last week, when police resorted to firing tear gas on teachers in front of the secretariat. The pressure group warns the government to take action and suspend those involved in the recent firing of tear gas at the teachers. The organization has been demanding the government to immediately suspend those in the higher authority for issuing the order and the two police officers, including a DSP, for throwing tear gas on the teachers. The Office of the District Tuberculosis Officer of Ribhoi District today organized a public rally at Bernihat in a bid to sensitize the public on the need to eliminate tuberculosis under the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program and Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. The rally started from Bernihat PHC and culminated at Weekly Market Bernihat with an objective to create awareness among the public about tuberculosis and the need to eradicate it. The rally was also attended by the District Tuberculosis Officer of Ribhoi, Dr. E. Calvin, State Coordinator, besides students from different schools. And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 22.6 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 15.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 74%, while in the evening it stood at 86%. The forecast, light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates Shillong's first five-star hotel, Taj Vivanta. Senior Congress leader Shashi Tharoor to visit Shillong tomorrow. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates 2 days Tri-Hills Ensemble in Shillong. And two Shillong legislators apprise Chief Secretary about water crisis in the capital. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us, and from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.